Hey there. Recently I posted a video about a begonia leaf cutting that had sprouted into a little plant. It was actually this guy right here. Well, I want to show you something. I have this little bowl here with some leca and some water that I just will drop things in to propagate it. But here is another begonia leaf cutting that is rooted. I really need to put those things in some dirt, and here I have a pothos cutting. This has been taking forever, but I'm just gonna leave it there. There's actually something in this bowl though that is not going to become a plant. I have two other leaves in here that aren't begonias, pothos, or the money tree that's right here. And one of them is from an African violet. It is rooting, and it's really hard to see, but there is some new growth coming out of that. An African violet, like the begonias, will be able to sprout a new plant just from a leaf cutting. But I have a ruby red, a couple ruby red rubber plants, a Ficus elastica, and I had a leaf that I knocked off accidentally, and I stuck it in water, and look at all these roots. However, not all plants are going to be able to sprout from a leaf cutting, even if that leaf roots. So with this plant, this leaf petiole will produce roots. It will actually live for quite a while if the conditions are right, just like this, but it will never produce a new tree. It doesn't have any dormant buds on it. It's not going to sprout anything else from that. It was nice to learn, because it is kind of deceiving that this thing produced all of these roots, but it's definitely not going to produce a plant. So I don't know, I'll probably let it sit there and be pretty, but in the future, not necessarily waste my time with rooting any single leaves from a plant like a Ficus elastica.